Hey guys, what's going on? It's Clever Techie, and in this video we're going to learn how to print records in multiple columns. So we can set any amount of columns and print our records in as many or as little columns as we wish. And we're going to accomplish that with PHP loops and a little bit of HTML. Alright, so just go ahead and create a simple HTML template first. And I'm going to go ahead and open up the PHP tags. And here I'm just going to create an array of data. And I'm going to put in 20 values inside of this array. And the data can be anything. It can be images, it can be a database that you're working with. Basically anything that you would like to display in a table. And I'm also gonna create a variable called max columns, which is gonna be the amount of columns inside of the HTML table that will print out with the PHP loops. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is open up the table tag, and then we'll reopen PHP, and we'll close the table down here just before the body tag. So the first thing we're gonna make sure is we're tracking our records, and these are the records inside of our data array. So we're gonna create a variable record ID, and we're gonna set it to 0. Now what we want to do here is we want to keep on looping until the end of the array, and for that we're gonna go ahead and create a while loop, and we're just gonna say while true. And this will create rows until out of records to display. Now at this point our while loop will just keep on looping. So we're gonna create a stop when we're out of records. But first let's go ahead and create another loop inside of the while loop. We're gonna go ahead and create a for loop which will loop until max columns, and we're going to set the first column to 1 and say columns less than or equal to max columns, column plus plus. So this for loop is just going to loop until max columns, and that's how it's going to know how many columns to print out. Now inside the for loop we want to make sure that we exit while loop, so we're gonna say when it's out of data then exit the while loop, and for that we're gonna use a keyword return. So stop loop when there's no more data available. So we're gonna say if not is set data. Here we're going to use record ID, which is what we're using to track our data. And when that happens, when there's no more records, so we've reached 21, which is not going to be set. And at this point, we want to go ahead and return, which will exit all the loops. So this is our exit point for the while loop. Now we also want to make sure that we're going to the next record. So here inside of the for loop we want to say record ID plus plus. So that is how it's going to loop through the records, and once it's done with the for loop, once it prints the max amount of columns, it's going to return back to the while loop, and it's going to keep on looping until it reaches the end of the data, at which point it will return and exit the loop. And here is how it knows to go to the next record. Alright, so at this point we're done with our loops. Now we're just going to print out the data. So first of all, we want to make sure to print out the opening table row tag, and we want to do that if we're at the start of the column. So if column equals 1, echo tr, So here's the opening table row, and inside of the table row we want to print out our table cell. So here I'm gonna close the PHP tags, reopen it here, and here I'm just gonna type all the HTML for the table cell. Gonna align it to top, set the background color light blue, set the width and height, close the table cell, and then inside of it we're just going to print out the record ID. And the last thing we want to do is close the table row if we're at the max columns. And we want to print it out down here after the table cell. So if column equals max columns, close table row. If column equals max columns, echo close table row. And that should do it. Let's see if this works. View this in the browser. And as you can see, it's printing out our table with 4 columns. Let's go ahead and set the columns to another number, 2. Got 2 columns now. Set it to 6. Got 6 columns. So basically you can have as much data and as many columns as you'd like, and it will all work beautifully, just like that. And that is how you print data using multiple columns with PHP. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Clever Techie out.